So now I'm use import java.io.asterisk, right? Now declarations of class. Class name io example with method. This is my class name. Now public string arguments, right? Before the main method I am just declaring my own user method, means user defined method. So whenever required to declare user defined method, then just use like suppose void. I just use void, and my function name was add. My function name was add. Let me use, and I just declare inside this integer I comma j comma k, declaration of three variable, declaration of three variable. Now I'm using here input string reader, input string reader. Either you can use like this buffer reader br is equal to new buffer reader new input string reader system dot in. Now just put a value of I is equal to integer dot pos int and just br dot readline. This is my first value. Now after that second value is g is equal to integer dot pos int and just another value put br dot readline. This is my another value, right? After the add with user to value, just create one formula k is equal to I plus j. Now system dot out dot println, right? Addition of two number is equal to, now just call the k, now just call the k variables. After that you need to call add method inside the main function, inside the main method. So you need to create an object of the class. So my class name was io example method, io example with method. So I am declaring io example method underscore oh, this is my object name, is equal to new io example method. My object name was what? Oh, io example method. Just call the method with object, right? But suppose you are using input output methods inside the your user defined method, then you need to call throws inside this. Throws IO exceptions, throws IO exceptions, right? Now I'm saying this program with class name. My class name was IO example method. Just copy and save as, just paste desktops java lecture dot java. हेलो नहीं सर आपके अंदर भी नहीं है. So I just call set path C drive program file java now bin copy paste. Now compile the java c. It was compiled. Now cls clear skills and now use create directory desktop and cd space my java lectures folder. Just file name java c io example with method dot java. Let's compile this program. Now string argument, the spelling of string was wrong actually, So now change the spelling, let's save, and Java CI example with method.java. Now this the OIO example with method.8 is the error because I cannot find the symbol, cannot find the error, cannot find the symbol. Which symbol? Right, this देखो just method name is what? A is capital and here is, so you need to put capital Java C IO example method. And the last method, last error is unreported. The exception IO exception must be can occurred or declared to be a thrown. Means what? Whenever you require to use a user defined method, then you need to put a throws IO exception with your functions user defined and your main method So now you need to call this IO exception, throws IO exception. Now just save this program and just compile the program and just run Java IO example with method. Now you put to number 12 and 45. My addition was 57. My addition was 57. So it was very basic simple example to use input output means buffer reader method in user defined